Klone Scents, sold through clonescents.com, is marketed as a fragrance house specializing in affordable clones of designer perfumes. On paper, it looks like a real brand with a functioning website, bundles, and flashy marketing. But when you check customer feedback, especially on Reddit fragrance forums, the story changes. Many buyers report long shipping delays, incomplete orders, poor communication, and synthetic smelling fragrances that don't live up to the hype. Some even mention being blocked by the company after complaining publicly, while others had to file chargebacks to get their money back. The lack of transparency, no clear business address, vague customer service, and inconsistent quality has led to widespread warnings in the fragrance community. Clone Sense is technically a real brand, but reviews strongly advise avoiding it. If you want reliable clones, stick to established Middle Eastern fragrance houses or trusted designer alternatives instead of risking money on a company with so many negative experiences.